Don't trust wireless audio yet? Afraid of interference? We've got something to get you converted. This is the Deity HD-TX, an audio transmitter and recorder fused into this awesomeness. If you haven't heard of Deity yet, it's the new boy in town causing a stir in the audio department with their crazy innovations. Even Rode can't handle it and needs to copy their style. If you disagree, fight me in the comments. Back to the HD-TX. If you are a sound guy, this is a must-have in your sound gear arsenal, and here is why. Imagine you are working on a film set with a wireless setup because there's a lot of action, so you don't want to have any of the clickety-clack from your cables. However, suddenly silence. There's interference causing your whole setup not to work. However, that was the perfect take. Imagine how furious the director would be for you to tell him we need to do a retake. But if you were using the Deity HD-TX, it's got you covered because it records to a tiny micro SD up to 128 gigs. And if the signal gets jammed, it still has a clean recording on it. However, if you are in the great US of A, you won't get recording and wireless at the same time due to a patent. However, you might want to go on a short vacation. With the Deity Interview Kit, you actually get a dual channel receiver, so you can use the HD-TX and a transmitter pack at the same time. The Deity HD-TX actually goes up to 100 meters or about 300 stinky feet. We're here at 50 meters testing the HD-TX. This is just a quick test. So test 1 2 1 2, mic 1 2 1 2, test. I think this is 10 meters away. Mic test 1 2 1 2, test. But using just the recorder function, the distance will be limitless. Battery life is up to 10 hours and you can fully recharge this puppy within 90 minutes with a USB fast charger. Next to the XLR on this unit, there is a 3.5mm jack, so you can also use it in combination with a clip mic, and there's a headphone jack out to monitor the sound with. Audio recorded on the HD-TX are 24-bit, 48Hz, uncompressed mono audio wave files. And you can only record either from the XLR or from the 3.5mm jack. Some improvements I want to see of the HD-TX is possibly to record with the TRS and the XLR at the same time, or even to record wave files that has a high and a low volume to avoid clipping. If you are interested in the HD-TX, links are in the description below. If you love this new fun format, punch that like and sub button. Love you all. CD out.